So here's a fabulous, really quick and easy potato egg tuna salad. Great if you've got a barbecue happening or you've got a buffet happening or something like that. A fairly large amount there. That's beautiful. Let's get on with it. Welcome back to How to Cook With. Okay, let's take a look at what we've got here. It's quite a lot. Now you can adjust all of this if you want. I'm just going to show you what I've got. I've got 4 cups of potatoes. Peeled them, cut them quite small, boiled them with a little bit of salt water. 5 hard-boiled eggs. 1 cup of cheddar cheese, just under 1 cup of white onion, 1 cup of sweet corn, 1 cup roughly, or one of those small cans of tuna. I've got some black olives in there, going to throw them in. I've taken the stones out. There's probably 8 or 9 there. A little bit of green onion, half a cup, or just under half a cup actually, of chopped parsley, but you could use dill or some other fresh herb if you want. Half a cup of bell peppers, half a cup of cucumber, and half a cup of mayo. It's very simple. We're just going to get it all in a bowl and give it a mix. So potatoes are in, a little bit of the cucumber, the bell pepper, chopped parsley, the black olives. Cut them smaller if you want. A little bit of green onion. And like I say, you can adjust all of this, all the amounts. White onion. Use red if you want, but red's a little bit harsher. The sweet corn, I got that from a can. And goes that tuna. And then some cheddar cheese. This is a fairly mild, kind of in between cheddar. And I've cut my eggs, as you can see, just here. Just chop them up. And again, if you want, cut them smaller. To that, we're going to add some salt and black pepper. If you wanted a little bit of chili powder in there or some other herb or spice, that's up to you. And then we're going to go with the mayonnaise. Now, I don't like tons and tons of mayonnaise in there. I don't want it swimming in it. This is actually quite a small amount for the amount of salad we've got. Again, adjust that to how you want. Very simply, little mix. Really, really super fabulous. That's great with a barbecue, if you've got a kind of buffet happening, you know, something like that. Like I say, adjust just how you want. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. See you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like. You'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.